I'm Brady, and I go to Palo Verde High School, and I'm a senior. When I first found out about the one-to-one laptop program, I was really excited because I know in previous experiences, like having to take home like 5 textbooks is kind of difficult, and getting computers to be able to access those online textbooks or prezzies is really helpful.
My name is Alexa Maglino, and I'm a junior. Ever since we were told that we were getting the computers, everyone was talking about it around the school and how we're going to be the first TUSD school to get this type of equipment, and we're just overall excited about it.
Our generation is more we use a lot of technology.
We do use technology a lot nowadays, so it would be better for students to have access to their assignments and to communicate
with our teacher and our class, and be more involved and participate as well, and being able to get that instant feedback.
I think it would prepare me for getting ready for college, because now we're doing college essays, and I just think it would be really good for me and people around me. It was pretty cool because we're going to be the first TUSD school to have something like this, and it's really new to everybody.
We're going to be able to test all these new experiences and be able to have the school and other schools learn from our experience.